Hi guys and welcome back to Blender Fun! So as I said before, I'm going to make an extra video of adding an extra effect in our scene here, our microphone scene. So if you didn't watch part 1 and 2, make sure to watch them before watching this video, or if you want to add some effects on other scene you have, so it's fine, you can watch this video. Anyways, let's get into it. First of all, as always, load your scene and hide everything for now. And go to Google. So the effects that I chose to add in our scenes is to add music notes. So go to Google, as I said, and then search music notes. Pick any note you like and just drop it into Blender. You can just try it the hard way and the easy way. So the easy way is to add the plane and draw the texture on it by going to materials and adding an image texture. Then click on your plane, go to edit mode and click on K for knife tool. So as I'm showing you how to use it, just click on the left button of your mouse if you want to just apply on that place, and click on enter to apply the whole shape you just cut it out. And use the knife tool to cut the music note you like. So to make the music note smoother, what I did that I went to the edit mode and then extruded the note that I made. What I cut it from the plane on the texture, I cut it and then clicked on all of the vertex and then E to extrude it out a bit, and then selected the whole thing, the whole mesh I mean, and then I clicked on Control B to bevel the edges and make it much smoother. So that will help to improve your scene. And the hard way is that the one I was telling now is the easy way. The hard way, don't know what to say. So let me show you. Import the image, then add a single vertex, and go to object mode, then add a subsurf modifier, and you can see the magic is making it worse. Anyways, I chose to use the simple or easy way to remove that image texture of your plane, that freaking out texture. You can just add a black material and go to render view mode, and you can see the your work was for nothing. Of course you won't be able to see your texture in the render view mode because the scene is too dark. So I went to the notes material, the music notes material tab, and remove, you have no material. So go to render view mode, and again you can see some difference. Render the scene and voila, you have a microphone scene. Bye! Hi guys and welcome back to Teens. Why do I keep mistaking it? It's Blender Fun!